If you want to get an exclusive sign-up bonus, you'll find the sign-up link down in the video description. Then you'll be taken straight to the sign-up page where you can create an account in about 30 seconds and automatically qualify for a bonus of up to several $1,000s. Alright, so once we are inside the app, we can now go to the futures trading. We can simply go down here, click on trade, and then we'll get to this page right here. I'm first going to quickly show you everything that you can see right here. So firstly, down here we can see our capital. So if you don't have any capital yet in here, you can easily just go down here to assets, click on deposit, and then deposit any cryptocurrency you want. If you need more help with that, I have many more videos on how to deposit money on Bitget on my channel. Otherwise, you can also try out the demo trading feature. If you just click down here, then you will automatically get some demo funds and you can try out the entire platform without any risk and without having to use your real money for it. All right, so now I'm going to show you everything that you can see right here. As you can see, I have some capital on my account, so I can show you everything. First of all, up here, we can choose the trading pair. So you can go up here and then choose any of these trading pairs that you want to trade. For now, I'm going to stick with Bitcoin. On the right side, we have this chart icon right here where we get to this chart view. You can also get there by just going down here on the small arrow icon. So we'll have this small chart view right here. You can also choose the different time frames in here and then look through the entire chart if you want to do that. That's also very useful. Next up down here, we have this control center where we can open and close our trades. So where we can choose the leverage, set the order type, set the position size, add a take profit or stop loss, and eventually go long or short. Down below, we have this view where we can see our open positions later on when we open our first trade, as well as your open orders, your history, or any of your assets. All right, so let's open our first long trade. Let's go up again. First, we need to choose the order type. Make sure to leave that on isolated for the beginning. And on the right side, we can choose our leverage. You can get up to 150x. For now, I'm going to choose a 5x for long and short and confirm that. And then down here, we can choose open, choose the order type. I'm going to choose market for now to open the order immediately. And then I need to choose the position size. I have three different options. If I click on this right here, I can either choose it by quantity in BTC, so the entire position size in Bitcoin, measured in Bitcoin. Measured in USDT would be that down here, value USDT, or measured by cost USDT. That means our own actual money, so our own capital, which is also called margin, that we put in this trade. My personal favorite is the value down here, because then I can simply say I want to open a $500 position size, and you will see down here that means I'm using $100 of my own money, because this $100 right here times the 5x leverage will equal an entire position size of $500. So that's how my margin, my own capital, the leverage, and the position size works together. Next up, I can also choose a take profit or stop loss if I want to do that. If I just click on this check mark right here, I can either type in the price for them, or if I click on this right here, I can also set it by percentage profit or loss, price change as a percentage, or how much profit or loss I would make. So let's say I can easily choose this down here and say I want to make a $50 profit at my take profit, and I want to make, let's say, a $15 loss. You can also directly see the prices in here. If I click in here, you can also see here the price, $75,000. And then I have that all set up. And if I click on open long now, I have opened my trade. You can also directly see it down here below. So everything important at a glance. I'm going to quickly show you everything we can see right here. So first of all, it's a Bitcoin trade. It's a long trade with a 5x leverage. We can see right here directly our opened profit or loss in dollars and as a percentage. Down below, we can see the position size in dollars right here. You can also switch that up in BTC or in USDT. $500 position size, $100 margin that we all set up in here. Our entry price where we entered the position and the current price. And here right next to it, estimated liquidation price. This means if the price would go down this much into the negative for us, that our margin is not able to cover any more losses, then this entire trade would be so-called liquidated, which means it would be closed automatically by the platform and we would lose our entire margin right here. But of course, we can prevent that from happening by placing a stop loss beforehand, which we already did. You can also see it down here under TPSL. If we click on this edit icon right here, we can see that we've placed a stop loss right here at this price where we would make a $15 loss. You can also, of course, modify that by clicking on these buttons or cancel them if you want to do that, and then simply place new ones. So let me quickly show you that. If you cancel them, you can just easily go in here and set new ones. You could also set how much % of your trade you want to close, or here if you go under entire position, this is the quick option for just closing the entire trade. So that's also possible, and that's how the take profit and stop loss works. You can easily always get back there by just clicking on TPSL in here. All right, next up, I also want to show you how you can change your position size, so you can increase or decrease your trade. You can easily do that by just going up here and do as if you would open a new trade. So let's go to open market. Let's say I want to add another $200 to this trade. Click on open long, and then you will see I've now increased my position size to $700 and also my margin to $140. Same goes the other way around. I could either just go up here, click on close, type in the amount, or you can also go down here. That's even simpler. Click on close, choose how much % of your trade you want to close. Let's say I want to take out 50%. Click on confirm. And then you will see I've now decreased my position size to $350, and same goes for the margin to $70. If you want to edit your leverage, that's also possible. That's not set in stone. What you've set up at the beginning right here, you can at any time just go down here on this pen icon and now increase or decrease your leverage to your liking. Just make sure to know that if you increase your leverage, that means you will get some margin freed up back, because you've increased the multiplier. Same goes the other way around. If you decrease your leverage, that means you will need some margin that needs to be pulled inside of this trade. So you're effectively increasing or decreasing your risk by changing up the leverage. But that's, of course, also possible later on if you've already opened your trade. All right, finally, I also want to show you how you can close your entire trade at any time. Simply go down here to close, choose 100%, click on confirm, and then you're also out of your entire trade again. Don't forget to claim your sign-up bonus right now by creating an account with a link in the video description. And if you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.